Buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias, muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How are you? How are you? Good morning, friends. Welcome to Circle today. Let's go ahead and do our breathing exercise to get our bodies ready. I thought today we could do our flower and candle breathing exercise, so I'm going to pick my flower right now. Oh, I think today I have a beautiful garden rose in my hand. What kind of flower do you have? Okay, and let's get our candle in our other hand. Do you have your candle? All right, we are going to smell our flower and blow out our candle. We will do that several times in a row, and let's go ahead and make sure our back is nice and straight as well. Okay, ready? Smell your flower. Blow out your candle. And again. Okay. Do you feel ready for Circle now? I do. Let's go ahead and sing our months of the year song. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. And do you remember what month we are in right now? We have had 22 days in the same month. We are in the month of April. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. There have been 22 days in April. And it's Wednesday, so when we get to Wednesday, put your hands up. Ready? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Well, today is a very special Wednesday. That's because today is a day called Earth Day. Have you ever heard of Earth Day? Earth Day is a day when people all around the world celebrate our planet Earth. I brought my painted globe today, of course, because you know the painted globe is a representation of our planet Earth. That's right. The painted globe is in the shape of a sphere. That's because our Earth is in the shape of a sphere. Did you know that? Our planet is spherical. You know, there are other planets that orbit around our sun, just like our planet does. But the planet Earth is the only planet that we know about that can have plants and animals and people living on it. It's the only planet that makes our planet Earth very special. You know, I was thinking this morning about how if our planet Earth is the only planet that has plants living on it, that means it's the only planet that has trees trees living on it. Did you know that? No other planets have trees. I am very thankful for the trees growing on our planet because the trees help give oxygen to the atmosphere. Trees are super helpful to Earth. Yeah, trees are also helpful because they give animals and wildlife places to live, right? Yeah, that's another reason why trees are very helpful. I was walking outside this morning in my yard, and I noticed that even though it's spring, and even though the new little leaves are holding on pretty tightly to the branches of the trees, it's been very windy outside lately, and I think some of that wind has blown a few of the leaves off the branches, and I was able to get a really good look at some of the leaves that were coming off of my trees this morning. I picked some of those leaves up. Would you like to see them? Okay, I'll come closer so you can see them. You know, fall is the season when the leaves change color and they start dropping off the trees. And right now we're in spring, so all the leaves are green, and most of the leaves, like I said, are holding on pretty tightly to those branches, but I think just that really strong wind made a few of them come off, so I picked them up off the ground to show you. I found leaves from 3 different trees in my yard. This is the leaf. I just taped it to a little paper so you could see it a little better, but this is the leaf from a red maple tree. There are lots of different kinds of maple trees, but this is from a red maple tree. I noticed that it has 1, 2, 3 points on it, doesn't it? And look around the edges of that leaf. Can you see all around the edge? That's called the margin of the leaf. I see the margin of this leaf looks kind of bumpy and spiky. See that? That's called serrated. This red maple leaf has a serrated margin. It's a little spiky around the edge. Oh, you know what else I just noticed? I noticed that the red maple leaf, the stem on it, it's a little red tint to it, doesn't it? I have another leaf. The red maple leaf was found in my front yard, and this leaf was found in my backyard. This is a leaf from a tulip poplar tree. This is a very small little tulip poplar leaf, but these leaves in the summertime can get very large. They can be almost this big. They are very big leaves, yeah. The tulip poplar tree can grow to be a very tall tree. Look, the margins of this leaf are smooth. I don't see any spikiness to it, do you? I see some points. Let's count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4 points to this leaf. But around the edges, all around the leaf, it's nice and smooth. It's got a smooth margin. I have one more leaf to show you. This is a very special leaf. I also found this in my backyard. This is the leaf of an American chestnut tree. There are not many American chestnut trees, but I have one in my backyard. And in the fall, the American chestnut tree drops, guess what? Chestnuts. Yeah, they are covered in spikes, but you can open up the spiky part and take out the chestnut. Ooh, look, That American chestnut leaf is also spiky around the margin. See that? It's got a serrated margin too, just like that red maple leaf did. I thought it might be nice today, since I found these leaves laying around, thought it might be nice today to make a leaf rubbing. Would you like to see how I can do that? I bet you could find some leaves, maybe outside of your house or your apartment, and you could make a leaf rubbing. All you need is paper and a crayon and a leaf. I'll show you how to do it. Here is my table. I think I will show you how to do this with the American chestnut leaf. So you can lay the leaf on the table and you can put your paper on top of it. I have a green crayon. I chose green today because my leaves are green in my yard right now. So I will use the side of the crayon to make the rubbing. Wow, I'm excited for you to see this. Take a look at that. You can see all of the veins in the leaf. Let's see. There. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, you can make a rubbing of leaves that you find lying around. I usually only pick up leaves if they're lying on the ground because the trees need the leaves so that they can soak up the sunlight and keep giving our atmosphere oxygen. But I bet you can find some leaves on the ground too. Would you like to do a movement exercise with me now? I want to teach you a poem, but the poem has movements that go with it. Does that sound like fun? Okay, well, we are both going to stand up and I will teach you the poem called Long Live the Trees. Okay, are you standing up? Okay, this is a poem called Long Live the Trees by William Henry Venable. So I'm going to do one little part at a time and I will let you copy me. So that means I will do it once and you watch and then we will do it together, okay? Ready? The first part goes, as long as the rivers flow. Let's do that together, ready? As long as the rivers flow, so long as the mountains rise. Can you do that? See, I'm making a mountain with my fingers. So long as the mountains rise, may the forest sing to the skies. Can you do that part? May the forest sing to the skies and shelter to the earth below. Let's do that. And shelter to the earth below. Okay, we will try to put it all together. We'll do it maybe 2 times so we can make sure that we have enough chance to learn it very well. So long as the rivers flow, so long as the mountains rise,
May the forest sing to the skies and shelter the earth below. Do you like to do it again? Okay, remember this poem is called Long Live the Trees. Ready? So long as the rivers flow, so long as the mountains rise, may the forest sing to the skies and shelter the earth below. Okay, friends, that was really nice. Let's sit down because I have a new song to sing to you. All right, are you ready to learn a new song? Okay, this song is called This Pretty Planet, and it's written by a man named John Chapin. And I just thought it would be a wonderful song to teach you today because today is Earth Day, and it's all about our planet Earth. So I will teach you this song by singing part of it by myself so you can listen. And then when I do this, we will all sing together. Ready? Okay. This pretty planet spinning through space. Let's sing that. Ready? This pretty planet spinning through space. Your garden, your harbor, your holy place. Ready? Your garden, your harbor, your holy place. The next part goes like this. Golden sun going down, gentle blue giant, spin us around. Ready? Golden sun going down, gentle blue giant, spin us around. And the last part goes like this. All through the night, safe till the morning light. Ready? All through the night, safe till the morning light. Let's try to sing it all together, okay? Ready? Maybe we can sing it 2 times in a row. That would be nice. All right. This pretty planet spinning through space, your garden, your harbor, your holy place. Golden sun going down, gentle blue giant, spin us around. All through the night, safe till the morning light. This pretty planet spinning through space, your garden, your harbor, your holy place. Golden sun going down, gentle blue giant, spin us around. All through the night, safe till the morning light. Okay, friends, it's time to say goodbye now. I enjoyed talking about Earth Day and making a leaf rubbing. And oh, we learned a new movement poem and a new song today. We did lots of things together today. So I will see you again tomorrow on Thursday. Adios amigos, adios, adios. Adios amigos, adios, adios. Goodbye my